Today I'm gonna bring up the topic about in-laws. Are they saint or sinners? In my case, they are sinners. My sister's husband, he's just the biggest tool out there. He degrades my own mother, his wife's mother, which is my sister. Yeah, and my partner's mother, well, don't get me started on that one. Should things be said or not to be said to the in-laws? In my case, they should be said, which I pointed out to my partner's mother. I nearly broke the phone talking to her when I slammed it on the receiver. Yeah, so what do you think? Are they saints or sinners? Thank you.